Is that a flamingo? A flamingo? I think this is a flamingo. Flamingo? What is flamingo doing in bird? Why would a flamingo be in bird? Flamingo? Flamingo. Whoa, whoa. I'm the fart bird. Haha. You newbies can't fart like I do. Ha ha. Wee. No. E. So I click. So what should flamingo do first? Wait. Let me do a little dance. Squawk. Wait. Let me turn the audio. Ha! I stole this emerald from him. Where's Obunga at? Stop dancing! What is that? Stop! Ha! You won't get red on me because I'm a flamingo. Flamingo? Stop dancing. You're not even a real flamingo. Wait, I didn't actually mean it. Wait, I'm gonna go grief someone. I have a nose itch. Who should I explode? No eggs go in the fire. Dang it! Dumb game. Trying to kill some players. Okay, I'll eat donuts. Giant worm! Oh, heaven's a giant worm. Fine, the giant worm doesn't. You guys like that sound? Who is ganging the gonging the gang? Stop. Where's the gong at? Stop gonging the gong. This is so annoying. No, I don't. Oh my gosh. I can't even hear. Fine, okay. And that guy. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little. It's a watermelon. Hey, who just emailed me? Someone subscribed to me on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, shout out time. I just got an email that someone subscribed to me. It is Jalen Y has subscribed to you on YouTube. Thank you, Jalen, for subscribing to me. Like, thank you so much. You get a shout out. Even though I've done like, yes. Even though I have totally so many subscribers. I have so many subscribers. I have like 21. Stop. Oh my gosh, music's... Okay, I'm done. Volume off. I'm done. Can't handle it. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Ooh, I'm gonna dance. That's what I'm gonna do. You enjoyed this? Well, I go do something real quick. I have 773 views on my video and 21 subscribers. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead if you want. I'm not forcing you. No, I want that egg. Where is it? You have it. You're not even a real flamingo. Why would you have it? Give it. Give it. Give it. No, no, don't do that. No, you creature. No. You murderer. Oh, no. I'm a purple flamingo. The egg is gone. Ooh, an egg. Oh, that's ice cream. Never mind. This game. A donut. Hey, I do not like you, and I do not want to donate to you on Bloxburg. Yeah. If you haven't realized, I'm a flamingo fan, and there's nothing wrong with that, so get used to it, newbies. Also, don't subscribe to me. Subscribe to Flamingo. And probably if you're watching me, you are subscribed to Flamingo. So, yeah. No, I don't want to go down there. Not again. Not after what... Oh my gosh. No, stop. You know, you guys probably are like, what are you doing? You're doing literally nothing in this game. And to that I say, I'm doing something. I'm gonna move the giant donut that is like legit impossible to move by making it go boom. Now I step away. See, I just need to make a big enough hole for it. Making my way downtown with Carlito. Do 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 do. And I Carlito. Do 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 do. Carlito. Do 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 do. Carlito, 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 I love you, 'cause you're a Carlito, Carlito. Boom! I died. See, it's too heavy, like my character starts to lag. Fire! No fire. No, no, no. Don't fire me, because I quit life. My finger is about to slip. You know, this video is super pointless. Stop watching. Like, stop watching now. Go watch some good YouTuber, like Flamingo. Hey, where'd it go? This video was pointless. You know, I did absolutely nothing and I accomplished nothing. I am not the fart bird anymore. I am the bird bird. But, you know, what every good content creator says, why am I recording it like halfway in and halfway out? That is probably annoying. But deal with it. Sorry. Okay, this video is super pointless. I've said that maybe, I don't know, a lot. I'm just playing a bird. This is the accurate simulation of what a bird does. But I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video here because I'm not a flamingo anymore, and there's no such thing as a purple flamingo. So, bye.